What if I told you that you could buy a car for under $5,000 that might just outlive you? That's right. Some cars are built like tanks, engineered to keep running for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance. But dealers don't want you to know about these hidden gems, because they'd rather sell you something new and expensive. Stick around as we reveal 7 legendary cars that never die, and all for under $5,000. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is a car that looks like a box on wheels. But don't let that fool you. The Honda Element, 2003 to 2011, is practically indestructible. Built with Honda's legendary K-Series engine, this thing can easily last 300,000 miles or more with basic maintenance. It's got a rugged, waterproof interior, making it the perfect budget adventure car. You can literally hose down the inside. Best part? You can still find them for under $5,000, especially higher mileage models. A little care, and you'll have a road warrior for life. Another great thing about the Element is its modular design. The rear seats can be easily removed or folded up to create a massive cargo area. Whether you're a camper, a pet owner, or just need space for gear, the Element has you covered. And let's talk about reliability. Honda designed this SUV with a simple yet effective drivetrain. Common maintenance includes regular oil changes, occasional valve adjustments, and keeping an eye on the power steering fluid, which can leak in older models. But overall, you're looking at a vehicle that can keep going with minimal investment. Want to make it last even longer? Stick to synthetic oil, replace worn-out suspension components, and keep an eye on rust if you're in a snowy climate. With these small investments, the Honda Element could be the last SUV you ever need to buy. Another key feature of the Element is its suicide-style rear doors, which provide easy access to the spacious interior. The flat flooring makes it excellent for modifications, whether you want to turn it into a mini camper or a mobile workstation. For those looking at high-mileage models, make sure to inspect the timing chain and check for potential rust around the wheel wells and undercarriage. Despite a few minor issues, this is one of the most reliable and versatile SUVs you can own for under $5,000. If it's good enough for cops and cab drivers, it's good enough for you. The Ford Crown Victoria, 1998 to 2011, is one of the toughest sedans ever built. Powered by the famous 4.6L V8, this beast can take a beating and keep going. Police departments and taxi companies have run these cars well over 400,000 miles, and they still run strong. Plus, parts are ridiculously cheap and easy to find. For under $5,000, you'll get a car that's comfortable, powerful, and basically bulletproof. And if you pick up an old police interceptor, you might even get a few hidden features left over from its time on duty. The Crown Victoria's body-on-frame construction makes it almost like a truck in terms of durability. The suspension is designed to handle rough roads and high-speed chases, meaning normal street driving is a breeze for this car. Another huge benefit? The aftermarket support is massive. You can find parts at nearly any junkyard or parts store, and upgrades are plentiful. Cold air intakes, ECU tuning, and even performance exhausts can make this car even more exciting to drive. One thing to check when buying one: look for ex-police models with a well-maintained service record. Avoid those with excessive idle hours, as they can have hidden wear. But overall, the Crown Vic is a rock-solid, nearly indestructible car that delivers serious value. Many enthusiasts also love the Crown Vic for its sleeper potential. With a few bolt-on modifications, this V8 sedan can push serious horsepower while still maintaining reliability. The interior might be a bit basic, especially on police models, but aftermarket upgrades can bring it up to modern standards. If you want an affordable, reliable, and surprisingly fun-to-drive sedan, the Crown Vic is a top contender. Next up, we have a true off-road legend, the 1996 to 2002 Toyota 4Runner. If you need a rugged, reliable SUV that refuses to die, this is the one for you. The third-generation 4Runner is powered by one of Toyota's most durable engines, the 3.4L V6 5VZ FE. This motor has been known to last over 400,000 miles with proper maintenance. It's also paired with a rock-solid automatic or manual transmission that can handle both city driving and off-road adventures. What makes this SUV special? Its body-on-frame construction gives it true off-road capability. Whether you're tackling muddy trails, climbing steep hills, or crossing rocky terrain, the 4Runner can handle it. It also comes with a factory rear locker option in some models, which makes it even more capable off-road. And unlike newer SUVs filled with complicated electronics, the 4Runner keeps things simple and reliable. Looking for one under $5,000? Stick to higher mileage examples with a solid maintenance history. Check for rust in the rear frame and make sure the timing belt has been replaced if it's nearing 200,000 miles. Want to make your 4Runner last even longer? Regular oil changes, transmission flushes, and keeping an eye on the suspension components will ensure this SUV stays on the road for decades. Even in stock form, the 4Runner has great ground clearance and approach angles, making it an excellent choice for those who love outdoor adventures. And if you want to modify it, the aftermarket is huge. Lift kits, skid plates, and off-road bumpers can turn this SUV into a true beast. Bottom line, if you want an SUV that can outlast almost anything else on the road and take you anywhere, the Toyota 4Runner is a no-brainer. Now, let's talk about a car that perfectly balances reliability, comfort, and affordability, the 2003 to 2008 Honda Accord. This sedan is a top pick for those who want something durable yet stylish. Honda engineered the 2.4L four-cylinder K24A engine to last well over 300,000 miles. Some drivers even report hitting 500,000 miles with regular maintenance. If you prefer more power, the 3.0L V6 J30A5 is also a great choice, offering a smoother, stronger ride. One of the biggest advantages of the Accord is its low cost of ownership. Parts are widely available, affordable, and easy to replace. Whether it's brakes, suspension, or even transmission repairs, you won't break the bank maintaining this car. This car also provides an impressive mix of fuel economy and performance. The four-cylinder version gets around 30+ mpg on the highway, making it an excellent commuter car. If you're buying one, look out for automatic transmission issues on early 2000s models, particularly in the V6. Manual versions tend to be more reliable. Also, keep an eye on power steering leaks and rust in northern climates. The Accord isn't just practical. It's comfortable, too. The interior is well designed, with supportive seats and quality materials that have aged well. You also get a good amount of tech for the era, including available navigation and premium audio. For under $5,000, a well-maintained Honda Accord can easily last another decade, making it one of the smartest buys on this list. If you want luxury and reliability for under $5,000, the Lexus LS 430, 1999 to 2006, is your dream come true. This flagship sedan from Lexus was built to compete with the best luxury cars in the world, and it has proven itself as one of the most durable high-end vehicles ever made. Powered by the legendary 4.3L3 UZ FE V8, this car delivers 290 horsepower and smooth acceleration while maintaining incredible reliability. With proper maintenance, these engines can easily last 400,000+ miles without major issues. One of the biggest advantages of the LS 430 is its build quality. Lexus designed this car to be over-engineered, meaning every component was built to last. The doors close with a solid thunk, the suspension glides over bumps, and the cabin remains whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Despite being a luxury sedan, the LS 430 is surprisingly affordable to maintain. Parts are widely available, and the 3UZ FE V8 shares components with other Toyota models, making repairs easier than you'd expect. This car also offers an incredibly smooth ride, thanks to its available air suspension. However, if you're looking at a used model, check the air suspension carefully, as it can be costly to repair. Some owners opt to replace it with traditional coil springs for long-term reliability. Another highlight, the LS 430's interior is pure luxury, with soft leather, real wood trim, and advanced tech for its time. Many models come equipped with heated and ventilated seats, a Mark Levinson sound system, and even a power rear sunshade. If you're buying one, check for timing belt replacement history, since it's an interference engine, power steering leaks, and worn suspension components. But overall, this car is a luxurious tank that will keep going for decades. Want to make it last even longer? Stick to premium synthetic oil, replace the transmission fluid every 60,000 miles, and avoid excessive idling to keep the engine in top shape. If you follow these simple steps, the LS430 will be a reliable, comfortable, and classy ride for years to come. For under $5,000, there's no better way to experience Lexus luxury while knowing you have one of the most dependable V8 sedans ever built. The Toyota Corolla is one of the best-selling and most reliable vehicles in automotive history, and the model spanning the 2005 to 2011 model year continues that tradition. This compact sedan is known for its reliability, fuel economy, and low maintenance costs, making it a popular choice among drivers looking for a practical and affordable vehicle. Below, we'll break down what makes this model so special, from its performance to its key features. Exterior design. Conservative but efficient. The Toyota Corolla of these years maintains a fairly conservative design, with no pretensions of luxury, but with a simple and functional aesthetic. Its compact body is perfect for the city, making parking and driving in tight spaces easier. Models from the first part of this period, 2005 to 2008, feature a more rectilinear style, while the 2009 to 2011 models introduce a slightly more aerodynamic and modern appearance. The Corolla is not characterized by aggressive lines or ostentatious details, but its solid and sober design is timeless and easily recognizable. Performance and handling, efficiency at its best. The Toyota Corolla has always been a fuel economy-oriented vehicle, and this model is no exception. The 1.8-liter four-cylinder engines, especially the 132 horsepower engine, are efficient in both fuel consumption and maintenance costs. The 2005 to 2011 Corolla offers an excellent relationship between power and efficiency, with returns of up to 30 to 35 miles per gallon, depending on the variant and driving conditions. As for handling, the Corolla is not designed to be a sports vehicle, but to provide a comfortable and stable ride. The suspension system absorbs road imperfections well, which translates into smooth handling, although with a focus on comfort rather than agility. Road handling is predictable and reliable, making the Corolla a safe choice for those looking for a surprise-free drive. Interiors, simplicity and functionality. Inside the Toyota Corolla, the priority is on functionality. Although it is not in the same league as more luxurious or premium vehicles, the Corolla offers a spacious and comfortable interior for its class. Passenger space is sufficient, with more than enough room for front seat occupants, while rear passengers may feel a bit cramped if they are large adults, although it is still suitable for short trips. Interior materials are of decent quality for a compact sedan, with plastics that are sturdy but not especially soft to the touch. The infotainment system improved in the 2009 version with options such as a touchscreen, but earlier models, 2005 to 2008, can be equipped with simpler radios. As for cargo space, the trunk offers good capacity for this type of vehicle. Safety, reliability first. When it comes to safety, the 2005 to 2011 Corolla is an excellent choice. Models feature a sturdy build and features like anti-lock brakes, ABS, traction and stability control, and side and curtain airbags. Beginning in 2009, models began to include a standard stability control system. Additionally, Toyota's reputation for reliability and safety makes this vehicle an attractive choice for families or drivers who value safety as a priority. Maintenance and operating costs. Affordable and reliable. One of the biggest draws of the Toyota Corolla is its relatively low maintenance cost. This vehicle is renowned for its reliability, meaning that with proper maintenance, the Corolla can last for hundreds of thousands of miles. Replacement parts are affordable and easy to find, and the four-cylinder engine is known for its longevity. Shop visits are typically minimal, making the Corolla ideal for those looking for a reliable and economical car for the long term. The Mazda Miata, launched in 1990, is a car that quickly won the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. Inspired by the classic British roadsters of the 1960s, the Miata offered a unique combination of style, maneuverability, and economy, all in an affordable package. The 1990 to 1997 model, known as the first generation or NA, marked the return of affordable, lightweight sports cars, which had disappeared from the streets during the previous years. Below, we explore what made this model so special. Exterior design, classic and timeless. The design of the 1990 to 1997 Mazda Miata is undoubtedly one of its greatest appeals. Its small, compact appearance, with a long hood and low windshield, is reminiscent of classic British roadsters such as the MG MGB or the Austin Healey Sprite. The Miata was a car with a simple yet elegant presence, which did not need unnecessary embellishments to attract attention. The retractable headlights, a hallmark of the first generation, gave it a unique touch that made it even more striking in its time. Despite being a small vehicle, the Miata is surprisingly well-balanced in its design, with smooth lines that contribute to its sporty and light aesthetic. In addition, its compact size made it perfect for moving around the city and taking tight corners with ease, something that was key to its success in dynamic driving. Performance and handling, the pleasure of driving. One of the greatest charms of the Mazda Miata is its maneuverability. With an extremely low weight, around 800 kilograms, and a modest 1.6-liter engine in the first models and 1.8 liters from 1994 onwards, the Miata focuses on offering a pure and uncomplicated driving experience. The 1.6-liter engine delivered around 115 horsepower, which may seem modest compared to more powerful cars, but because of its lightweight and 5-speed manual transmission, the Miata is an incredibly agile car. Later 1.8 liters increased power to around 133 horsepower, further enhancing the experience. The Miata is known for its excellent handling, with a perfectly tuned suspension that makes cornering a rewarding experience. Precise steering and rear-wheel drive contribute to a sense of control and connection with the car, something many drivers look for in a roadster. It's not a fast car in a straight line, but it's a machine for enjoying twisty roads, making it an accessible sports car for drivers who appreciate fun over raw speed. Interiors, simplicity and a focus on driving. The interior of the 1990 to 1997 Mazda Miata is a model of functional simplicity. With a 2+2 configuration, the Miata is a car for two people, and its cabin is designed to put the driver at the center of the experience. The seats are comfortable, if somewhat basic, and the center console is angled toward the driver for easy access to controls. The cabin, while small, is surprisingly comfortable for most drivers of average height. What really stands out about the Miata is the focus on driving. The steering wheel is small and tactile, and all the controls are laid out intuitively so that the driver feels like they are in an extension of the car. A canvas convertible top was standard, providing the option of open-air driving, a feature that is essential in a roadster like the Miata. Safety, basic but reliable. Although the Miata was not packed with modern safety features, for its time it offered the basics in terms of safety. It came with four-wheel disc brakes, and rear-wheel drive helped with cornering stability. Beginning in 1994, Miata models began to include driver and passenger airbags, which improved their passive safety. However, the Miata was never a car designed with high-end safety in mind, but rather with the driving experience in mind. Maintenance and operating costs. Economical and easy to care for. One of the great advantages of the Miata is its reliability and low maintenance costs. The mechanics are simple and easy to repair, making it accessible to both novice owners and experienced mechanics. Spare parts are relatively inexpensive, and the popularity of the model ensures that it is easy to find replacement parts or modifications. In addition, fuel consumption is efficient, averaging between 25 and 30 miles per gallon, making it an economical choice for both daily use and weekend drives.